I'm super excited and feeling great that I'm delivering my services and you are learning. You wanted to learn, you wanted to develop your communication skills, and you wanted to know the things. I'm super excited and thankful to you that you are watching my videos. My dear friend, learning will not become burden. Spoken English will not become any kind of stress or distress. You will feel great because you wanted to learn the things, and here I will give you the guidance, I will support you, I will help you, and I will give you various things so that you can improve your communication skills. I know आप अपना communication improvement करना चाहते हैं और इंग्लिश को अच्छे से बोल पाना ये हम सबकी चॉइस है. पूरे वर्ल्ड, पूरे ग्लोबल लेवल पे, नॉट इंडिया, आउटसाइड इंडिया, like there are so many Bangladesh, Pakistan, Chinese, Japanese, Myanmar and Cambodia, Vietnam, Thailand, and there are lots of European countries, Sweden, Germany, Denmark, Austria. There are so many European countries. Those who can't able to speak English, they are learning. They wanted to development. They wanted to talk with the people across all over the world. They wanted to represent themselves as an international level. Because most of the people, they wanted to get freedom. Freedom will come when we get money, when we earning the things, when we removing the financial problem, right? Whenever we have not any kind of stress. So in learning English, it is good subject and it will always exercise your mind and give you various things. आप जितने से ज़्यादा लर्न करोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा अर्न कर पाओगे. पीपल और लोग, सोसाइटी सब रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे because it is important and that's why we are living and that's how we are surviving, right? अगर if you have money, so you can support somebody. If you don't have money, you cannot able to support, or people will also not support you. They will accuse you, they will give you like bad things, and negative people, they will talk about yourself. So before this, माय डियर फ्रेंड, आप लोगों के पास प्रॉब्लम था कि मैं इंग्लिश कैसे सीखूं. बहुत सारे मेरे पास हजारों ऐसे फ्रेंड है जो पूछते हैं कि मैं क्या करूं, इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए क्या करूं. माय वीडियोस आई एम डिलीवरिंग माय इन्फॉर्मेशन. मैं आप लोगों को अपने वीडियो में बता रहा हूं कि इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए आपको 4 चीज़ें, 4 थिंग्स पे आपको अच्छे से वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा. आपके पास गाइडेंस नहीं था, सो दीज आर द गाइडेंस वीडियो विच आई एम मेकिंग. सो डेफिनेटली इट विल सपोर्ट यू, इट विल हेल्प यू टू improve your communication skills, and communication is everything, I told you, you know. So if you haven't watched my past videos which based on listening and reading, बिकॉज इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए अपने पास मटेरियल होना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. वर्ड्स, फ्रेज, वोकेबलरीज एंड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशंस. अगर ये सब आपके पास होगा तभी हम इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं. If we have not these things, so we will not able to speak any sentences, words or vocabularies, और भी स्टक हो जाते हैं, राइट? हमें अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू लिसन एज मच एज पॉसिबल, यू हैव टू रीड एज मच एज पॉसिबल, बिकॉज हमारे पास मटेरियल होना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. एट वंस वी हैव मटेरियल्स, वी नो ऑल द थिंग्स, वी कैन एबल टू स्पीक. एंड because we don't have this kind of things, so we are struggling, we are facing problem, or we can't able to speak, we feel very shy, we feel very nervous, we become hopeless, we become blank when it's come to speaking English. वह कोई भी अगर अपने लाइक डेली लाइफ में अगर आपसे कोई भी इंग्लिश बात करेगा तो आप नर्वस हो जाओगे, प्रॉब्लम बहुत होगी और आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाओगे. वाई लाइक ये होता है क्योंकि अपने पास वोकेबलरीज नहीं है, सेंटेंसेज नहीं है, वी आर नॉट गेट यूज टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, सो दैट्स वाई. सो देर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. सो इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव ऑल द थिंग्स यू मस्ट वॉच माई ऑल वीडियोज, राइट? I suggest you should first of all you should watch listening and then reading. आप ज़्यादा सुन पाओगे तो different kind of expression, vocabularies, words आपके अंदर आएंगी. और second, reading is ultimate truth in your life. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनोगे, ज़्यादा vocabularies, familiar pronunciation, word से आप familiar हो पाओगे, आप जान पाओगे vocabularies को, words को, sentences, different kind of things you will approach, and then your mind triggers, your mind activate all kind of resources, all powers of wiring the brains will be activated, and they are accepting the things which you are learning. So right, so now today in this video we will talk about the writing. So आप जब कभी भी इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करते हो तो ब्लैंक हो जाते हो, भूल जाते हो, नर्वसनेस होती है, क्योंकि आपने बहुत यू हैव ऑलरेडी लिसन लॉट्स ऑफ मटेरियल, लॉट्स ऑफ पॉडकास्ट एंड वीडियोस, यू हैव वॉच सो मेनी थिंग्स, एंड यू हैव ऑल्सो गोन थ्रू द वोकेबलरी, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर एंड फ्रेजल वर्ब्स ऑन प्रोनाउंसिएशन, स्पेलिंग थिंग्स बाय रीडिंग. सो आप तो आपने 2 थिंग्स यू हैव कंप्लीटेड, बट स्टिल यू हैव डाउट बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट एनी ऑथेंटिकेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे कि राइट डाउन करोगे. आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ों को लाइफ में सुना है, अंडरस्टैंड किया, एक्सेप्ट किया है, रीड किया है, तो at a time of listening you should write down the vocabularies, phrase, sentence structure which you don't know or which seems very difficult, which you don't know the meaning of that particular words or thing. So you can write down, come at home and research it and use your sentences, talk as much as possible and utilize in your sentences those things. Same things will reading you have read like books. There are several kind of books you have read as per your interest, and then what you don't understand, what seems like very difficult, vocabularies is very tough and very hard, you can write it down, come at home and do all the things, research that meanings एंड आपने जो कुछ भी लिसनिंग और रीडिंग के दौरान जितने भी मटेरियल्स आपने राइट डाउन किया है, आप उन सब चीज़ों को अपने सेंटेंस में यूज करना है इन डिफरेंट वे. किसी भी वोकेबलरीज और सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को आप डिफरेंट मैनी वेज यू कैन यूज. जितना से ज़्यादा आप यूज करोगे, आपने राइट डाउन कर लिया, जितना ज़्यादा यूज करोगे, वर्ड्स को चेंज करोगे, मैनिपुलेट करोगे, आपकी जो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स है बूस्ट होती रहेगी डे बाय डे. इट इज़ बूस्टिंग इज लाइक लोयन. It's like the confidence which comes in loyal. Same confidence will come in your communication skills and you will not feel the problem because you have write it down. So ऐसे आप जितना से ज़्यादा कर पाओगे vocabulary, sentence structure, words power, phrasal verbs, different kind of thoughts आपके माइंड में फीड हो जाएगा. जब फीड हो जाएगा, माइंड में एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, तो फिर आप एक लोयन की तरह, जैसे लोयन कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, द लोयन इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, द सेम थिंग्स द कॉन्फिडेंस विल कम एंड यू कैन एबल टू स्पीक. आपको कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं होगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. यू विल नॉट फेस एनी काइंड ऑफ हेजिटेशन और प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज यू हैव द वोकेबलरीज. एट वंस यू राइट इट डाउन मीन्स दैट इज ऑथेंटिकेटेड, दैट इज लाइक 100% श्योर दैट you will not forget in your life. If you remembering those things like after 20 years 30 years, you will never forget, you will always remember, and remember will give you more things to speak. You can express yourself freely all over world, anywhere you are going, no matter what position you are holding, no matter what kind of business you are doing. You know, if you are investor, author, writer, businessman, you can work freely, you can talk with the people, you can expand your businesses, right? You can do best, you can invest in more to generate income. So in this way you can write down the things. आप जब राइट डाउन कर लोगे तो इट विल बी ऑथेंटिकेटेड, यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट because you have already listened and read, and when it comes to speak you forget the meanings and vocabularies. You facing lots of crises and lots of things are not happening. So that is why you have not, right now you have write it down, right? So these are the supports, these are the like guidance which you don't have. ये सब चीज़ें आपको शायद पता हो या ना पता हो, पर आप फॉलो नहीं कर रहे थे. पर आप ये जब फॉलो करोगे तो डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट 500% आएगा. रिजल्ट विल कम डेफिनेटली, आई एम श्योर. It seems like this is instruction which is given by the USA government, the government of Loyal, राइट. सो यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड, राइट डाउन. आप जितना से ज़्यादा राइट डाउन करोगे, लिखोगे, आपकी जो थॉट प्रोसेस होगा, जो चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंडिंग करने का एलिमेंट्स होगा, वो मोर क्लियर होगा, बेटर क्लैरिटी. यू विल गेट लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग एट ए टाइम ऑफ राइटिंग. You will understand that यार I have written in this way, I may can change these vocabularies, I may can change the sentences looks like very like little complex, or I have already used these words or vocabularies, now I need some more, I need to some change in my passage or in my writings. So you can change that. राइटिंग के दौरान आपके पास टाइम मिल जाता है कि मैं इसको कैसे मैनिपुलेट कर लूँगा. एट वंस यू आर राइटिंग, दैट मीन्स यू आर ऑल्सो लाइक प्रोग्रेसिंग योर थॉट, you are gathering the information, right things. एंड जब आप जितना से ज़्यादा राइट करोगे, आपके अंदर एक विजुलाइजेशन होगा, माइंड ज़्यादा इफेक्टिवली काम कर पाएगा. आपके अंदर एक विजुलाइजेशन जो किसी भी मीटिंग, सेमिनार या स्पीच और प्रेजेंटिंग्स और यू आर डिलीवरिंग एनीवेयर, यू आर टॉकिंग विद द पीपल, इट विल मैनिफेस्टेड इन योर माइंड में एक तरीके से जम जाएगा और फीड हो जाएगा, जिससे आप अच्छे से कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो. तो राइटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइटिंग विल गिव यू बेटर क्लैरिटी, बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, डीप एनालिटिकल स्किल्स, राइट. तो आप जितना ज़्यादा राइट डाउन करोगे, आपके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा और क्लैरिटी आएगी. आपके थॉट प्रोसेस में एक सुधार आएगा, जिससे मोर क्लियर हो जाएगा. ट्रांसपेरेंसी विल बी नेक्स्ट लेवल एंड देन यू कैन टॉक विद द पीपल very confidently. I'm sure 100% you will not forget, and English will not become the challenge. Communication will not become the challenge. You can talk as much as possible. You have gone through all the process, and now you are the master of your mind. Now you are the master of your communication skills. So communication is everything. My dear friend, you have to write down. Now you can get example. You can see there are lots of motivational speaker. There are so many people like in the world, those who are like businessman, author, investor or writer, politicians, bureaucrats persons, and those who are working for other organizations. They write always before delivering the speech, before doing anything. They write the keywords. Through the help of the keywords, you might have seen that the people like speak more than 3 hours, 4 hours every day. Every day you can see in international level. As we right now we have social media and we have all the things, so visit there and we can see there are so many people are delivering their speeches. Those who are working in for the organization, those who like representing their self or holding various kind of positions, they are sharing, they are delivering their speeches by writing. They have write in their notes little like keywords or vocabularies or something, 1 line or 2 line or maybe 10 lines, and with the help of this they are conducting the meeting and their meeting is gone successfully. They are strengthening yourself. So that's why you have to write down, right? जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप राइट डाउन करोगे, वोकेबलरीज एक्सपांड होते रहेंगे, आपके थॉट प्रोसेस को एक नया एलिमेंट्स मिलेगा बोलने के लिए, समझने के लिए और राइटिंग करने के लिए. आप ज़्यादा चीज़ों को एनालाइज कर पाओगे. सो राइटिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द थिंग्स विच इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट, which can change your lifestyle. Let's if you are doing practice 6 months every day, you are writing 10 vocabularies or 10 sentences. After 6 months you will have lots of things, lots of way to express yourself and charge yourself, recharge yourself with lots of vocabulary, sentence structure, and your ideas. जो आपका brain होगा वो actively work करेगा, fast work करेगा, right? It will give the right things and you will never forget in your life, because you want to be a good speaker. You want to very conscious about your lifestyle conscious, because you are conscious about your family, your nation, and you wanted to support you, right? That's how you are going to learn spoken English. You will never forget all the things. You have to remember, yes, now this is the time, this is the moment, I need to do, I want to work, I have to work, no matter. Now English will not become the burden, communication skills is not become the burden. And my dear friend, this is not only about learning spoken English, talking with the people. It completely the transformation which will inculcate within your mind, within your soul. You will see the huge changes are happening, and I'm accepting. I'm day by day I'm becoming millionaire, day by day I'm becoming honest person, and I can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible. आपका पूरा mind, personality, your life like is going to change completely, because yes, you are dedicated, you are an awesome person, you are great, your mind is always thinking to see some progress. You need to see some change. You want to hold your life and take every kind of control, and you want to see the development. Everything will happen, right? So writing is important. It is a kind of like roadmap of speaking English. When you write the things, it will be like the road which you are like creating a platform to speaking English, and you are like removing all kind of problem or complex in your life. You are writing down. So writing skill is very important. You should also watch, you have to watch my video which is based on listening and reading. I have given certain kind of tips, tricks, hints which can help you, you will get to know about, yes, these are the things which I was lacking. I was facing problem because I never gone through this. That's why it's become too much complex, right? That's why it become too much complex. And now when you watch, you understand the things, then you will implement. Your brain triggers, yes, I need to see the change, I need to see the things which was not happening in my life. Now I won't take it. Now I want to, yes, I'm ready to accept, and I want to ready to change myself, and I will achieve as soon as possible. You can do the three things: reading, listening, writing, and one video I will make, and you have to watch, because then after watching the fourth aspect of learning, your like support, guidance, everything will be concluded. And now after that you have to work as much as possible. The more you are working, the more you are learning, more generating, and lots of things will change. Your points of views, your ideas, imagination, visualization will happen, will change the world. Yes. Well, can I thank you very much for being connected, and you have given your precious and important time with us. For more notifications, you can subscribe my channel, share your feelings, feedback, and we will work together. We will achieve the greatness as soon as possible. Definitely your communication skill is going to be improved. आपकी जो communication skills definitely improve हो जाएंगी, और you will not face the problem, and you are going to achieve lots of things in life. I'm sure, I'm 100% sure, I'm 500% I'm sure that you will get a greatness. You will not have any kind of questions. Every question, doubt, self-doubt, everything will be eliminated, right? Thank you very much for being connected. Thanks.